Independent sources. An ideal independent source is an active element that provides a specified voltage or current that is completely independent of other circuit elements. So, there will be ideal independent voltage source, practical independent voltage source, ideal independent current source, and practical independent current source. An ideal independent voltage source is an active element that gives a constant voltage across its terminals, irrespective of the current drawn through its terminals. In other words, an ideal independent voltage source delivers to the circuit whatever current is necessary to maintain its terminal voltage. The symbol of ideal independent voltage source and its VI characteristics are shown in figure. Here we can see this is the symbol of ideal independent voltage source. This is a circuit with ideal independent voltage source. This is the VI characteristics of ideal independent voltage source. Now practical independent voltage source. Practically every voltage source has some series resistance across its terminals known as internal resistance and is represented by RSE. For ideal voltage source, RSE is equal to 0, but in practical voltage source, RSE is not 0 but may have a small value because of this RSE voltage across the terminals decreases with increase in current as shown in figure. Terminal voltage of practical voltage source is given by VL is equal to Vs minus IL RSE. We get this equation from this circuit. This is a symbol of practical independent voltage source and this is the internal resistance. This is the VI characteristic of practical independent voltage source. Here we can see the voltage is decreasing with increase in current. Ideal independent current source. An ideal independent current source is an active element that gives a constant current through its terminals irrespective of the voltage appearing across its terminals. That is, the current source delivers to the circuit whatever voltage is necessary to maintain the designated current. The symbol of ideal independent current source and its VI characteristics are shown in figure. Now in case of ideal independent current source, this is a symbol of ideal independent current source. This is a circuit with ideal independent current source and this is a VI characteristics. Here we can see the current is constant. Now practical independent current source. Practically every current source has some parallel or shunt resistance across its terminals known as internal resistance and is represented by RSH. For ideal current source, RSH is equal to infinity. But in practical voltage source, RSH is not infinity but may have a large value. Because of this, RSH current through the terminal slightly decreases with increase in voltage across its terminals as shown in figure. Here we can see as the voltage increasing, the current Is is decreasing. This is a circuit with practical independent current source. This is a symbol of practical independent current source and this is a VI characteristics. So from this circuit we get the equation IL is equal to IS minus ISH. This is from Kirchhoff current law.